Emily from Katy has a GFCI problem.
Well, hers stopped working when she unplugged her microwave. Okay. Emily writes, the white neutral wire was burned and melted at the terminal, so I replaced it with a new GFCI plug. But when I manually reset the GFCI to off, it was still receiving power. My other GFCI plugs did not have power when I manually reset those to off. So, Tom, she wants to know what could be causing this problem.
I can only suspect.
Okay.
I think it's wired wrong. And here's what I say. If you followed the wiring from the one before that had a burn neutral and you had a GFCI, that one was probably wired wrong too.
Okay.
And so if you just copied it, I have a feeling it's wired wrong. Now, it could be a bad GFCI if you want to try buying another one and putting it in. I've bought them when they're bad and had to take them back and get another one. That's one thing. But something telling me it's not wired right because you're getting power to it and it's not regulating itself.
I think about what Will says. Will Burns says at Right Touch Electric. He says there are lots of do-it-yourself projects around the house. Electric isn't one of them.
Yeah, for most people, unless it's something really simple. Hanging a ceiling fan and stuff, a lot of guys have that skill, but he's right when it comes to something that could really be a problem. And if you find a burned wire in the wall, then you start to think, this is a little more than me hanging a ceiling fan.
I'm thinking. Okay. All right. You got a question? You want our thinking on that? Send it to us at HomeShowRadio.com using the Ask Tom form. We'll answer it just like these videos over here. And by the way, subscribe to our channel, click that bell. We'll ring yours when we post a new one.